God is a spirit, and they that worship him must worship him in spirit and in truth. May God bless you. Amen. Pathian chu tharawane achibay buk tu ten tharaw le ti takzitin chibay an buk turani atiya. Pathian chu tharaw le ti takzitin chibay kan bukang lalpan mal som se ro se. Amen.